Hi dear student. So today I have come to discuss the next episode, that means the part number 2. Okay, part 2 class 6 science. Okay, the topic is cell and today's topic is types of cell and difference. So ultimately we have learned what is the definition of cell. The definition of cell, the structural and functional unit of life is called cell. You can tell another way, the basic unit of life is called cell. So today we will learn the types of cell, especially the depending on the presence or absence of nucleus. What? Presence or absence of nucleus, cell are divided two types. One is protocell and number 2 is eucell. Protocell Protocell and eucell. What is the definition of protocell? The protocell, the cell whose nucleus is not well developed. The cell whose nucleus is not well developed. Okay, you can write the definition of protocell. The cell whose nucleus is not well developed. Is not well developed. On the other hand, eucell, the cell whose nucleus is well developed. Okay, so you can write the example. Bacteria. So the cell whose nucleus is not well developed is called protocell. Example, bacteria, because inside the bacteria its nucleus is not well developed. Am I clear? On the other hand, eucell, the cell whose nucleus is well developed is called eucell. Like we are human being, our cell, the example of eucell, like plant cell and animal cell. Our cell also eucell, because our every cell has a well developed nucleus. Okay, later I will give the explanation of well developed nucleus. The nucleus, okay, now I can give the nucleus which has nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin fiber and nucleolus. This nucleus is known as well developed nucleus, but you will not get any well developed nucleus in bacteria. So that's why they are protocell. Am I clear? Now U cell, the cell whose nucleus is well developed. Ultimately I have told about the U cell. As for the example of U cell, now you can write the definition. The cell whose nucleus is well developed is called U cell. Example: plant cell, animal cell. Clear? Again, depending on their function, U cell again two types: somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell, the cell which take part in growth and development of living organisms body. Am I clear? The cell which take part in growth and development of our body is called somatic cell. And reproductive cell, the cell which take part in reproduction. Suppose the flesh of hen or chicken will be the somatic cell and reproductive cell will be the hen of the eggs of the hen. Am I clear? The egg will be reproductive cell, because from egg we can get a chick. So that's why the egg will be reproductive cell. Am I clear? Okay. Then the difference, I think you got the idea. Protocell and U cell. Protocell, the cell whose nucleus is not well developed, and U cell, the cell whose nucleus is well developed. Okay. So as for example of protocell will be bacteria, and the U cell will be plant cell, animal cell, etc. Okay. And again, depending on their functions of U cell, it again divide two types: protocell, somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell, the cell which take part in growth and development of our body. Okay, that is called somatic cell. Like my flesh, all flesh is known as somatic cell, and the egg will be reproductive cell. Am I clear? And okay, it is not possible to discuss the difference now. Next class I will discuss the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, thank you very much.